Today we are covering lesson 24-3, subtracting polynomials. This lesson is split into two separate sections, example A and questions 1 and 2. To prove the introduction to example A says, to subtract a polynomial, you add its opposite or subtract each of its terms. The opposite of a number or a polynomial is its additive inverse. There are two ways we can do these, either horizontally or vertically. We're going to align, because I'm going to do the vertical. I'm going to align my like terms again. I'm going to distribute the negative. So it's basically going to change the sign of everything in the second parentheses. And then we're going to combine our coefficients of our like terms. So let's dive in and take a look at our examples at the top of page 365. And this would be questions. Try these A. It says subtract and write your answers in standard form. So try these A. Letter A. It says 5x minus 5 minus x plus 7. So I'm going to stack these vertically. I've got 5x minus 5. And then we're going to do negative x plus 7. So my top one is going to stay exactly the same. It's going to stay 5x minus 5. But here, we're going to change the sign of the x. It's going to become negative. And we're going to change the sign of the 7 to make it negative as well. Now we're going to combine our like terms. Negative 5 and negative 7 makes negative 12. 5x minus x makes 4x. So the answer to part A, or letter A, would be 4x minus 12. Let's try these B. Well, letter B, sorry. This is going to say 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus negative 5x squared minus 2x minus 9. So I'm going to write these stacked. 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus negative 5x squared minus 2x minus 9. Now this negative is going to distribute into each term, so it's going to change the sign of every term. Top equation or expression is not going to change. It's going to stay the same. Negative negative is going to make this a positive 5x squared. Negative negative is going to make this a positive 2x. Negative negative is going to make that a positive 9. Look at each term individually. 2 plus 9 is a positive 11. 3x plus 2x is a positive 5x. And 2x squared plus 5x squared is going to be 7x squared. So this answer is going to be 7x squared plus 5x plus 11. Oops. Finish that off. Plus 11. There we go. All right, let's take a look at C. C says y squared plus 3y plus 8. minus 4y squared minus 9. I'm going to stack these. I got y squared plus 3y plus 8. Here we're going to have minus y squared. And notice I'm going to put this minus 9 all the way over here because I'm stacking like terms. Bring down my first expression exactly like it's written. In the second one, I'm going to change the signs of all terms. So this is going to be, oops, look at what I did. I forgot to write down my 4. That's going to change the outcome of my answer if I don't remember it. So got negative 4y squared. And this is going to make this a positive 9. Well, look at each term individually. 8 plus 9 is positive 17. 3y plus 0 is positive 3y. And remember, there's that imaginary 1. 1y squared minus 4y squared is going to be negative 3y squared. So go ahead and take our answer and transfer it over. So we have negative 3y squared plus 3y plus 17. Let's take a look at answer D. Question D. This is going to be 12 plus 5x plus 14x squared. And then we're going to do minus 8x plus 15 minus 7x squared. Stack them. Got 12 plus 5x plus 14x squared minus, put our like terms where they go. So I'm going to put the 15 first. I'm going to put the 8x second. And I'm going to put the 7x squared at the end. Keep the first expression exactly like it was written. So 12 plus 5x plus 14x squared. Change the sign of every term in the second expression. So minus 15, minus 8x, and plus 7x squared. 14 plus 7 makes this 21x squared. 5 minus 8 makes this negative 3x. 12 minus 15 makes this negative 3. Now, this is not written in descending order. Remember, descending order makes we're going to write from greatest to least. So I'm going to do, 21x squared first. I'm going to put the 3x next. And I'm going to put the 3 last. And notice whenever I rearrange this, I kept the sign with its term. That's important. So my answer here is 21x squared minus 3x minus 3. Go ahead and take a moment to write down these 4 answers for try these A. And then answer the debriefing question that follows.